What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to check out this new tile cutter I got. It's a manual tile cutter. You can cut 16-inch diagonal tile on it, diagonally, up to a 1/2 inch thick and 24-inch tile long. 24-inch tile cutter, Marshalltown. It says quickly score and snap, designed for ceramic, porcelain, glass, and mosaic. Let's open this bad boy up. Let's turn this bad boy over. Now let's there we go. Anything else in here? No, nothing. Oh, we got a zip tie on here. Well, we got zip ties. We got zip ties, people. Let me get a cutter on my cutter. Anyway, I just wanted to show you all this and do a review on it. I bought this with my own money. I'm not sponsored by Marshalltown or anything. You can pick this particular one up at Lowe's right now for $99, which is pretty good if you ask me. There we go. Cut this stuff off. Alright, take that off of there, take this off of there. At least they protect the rails. Got some oil on it, that's good. Alright, we got our handle here. Let's just move that up, pull this stuff out. There we go. And we got us a book that tells you how to do it. For those of you that are less inclined to do tile work. I'm not going to read it just because I've used several of these, even the smallest, down to mostly the small ones, because I never have one quite this big. They've got a 30-inch too, but I don't need no 30-inch. Oh, it's got legs. It comes with some tools. You got to put it together. All right, we can do that. Bolt down. Get the nut on. Side to side or something like that, maybe? Do we need that? I don't think we need this, do we? Do we need it? Leave it to me to bend it all up. There we go. Come on up there. There we go. I guess that's for holding some, holding it against the tile if you're doing multiple cuts, repeat cuts. Like if it's kind of like a fence, you know, for like you want to cut like 3 inches or 2 inches all the time. You set this on the 2-inch mark, tighten it down, and you can just do repeated cuts, which is cool. I'll leave it in here, but I'm just going to tighten it down because I'm not going to be using that. I'll use that. Don't really know what this little Allen head key thing is for. Maybe it's for like replacing the blade. Could be my guess anyway. Let's see. Just for replacing the blade. That's a nut. Alright, yeah, so this is the blade for replacing the blade. Which I'm kind of snug up a little bit because it's loose. Alright. Perfect. Alright, well, I'll keep all these tools together. I'll just put them in the, I don't know. Alright, I guess I'll put them in this little bag. I kind of like to tie a string on them, you know, tie them up here. With a little magnet or something, that way I know where they're at all times. Oh, this is nice little snappies here. I like snappies. There we go. Now I'll just throw that where it needs to go. Throw that over there. Alright, let's see how long this thing will cut. Oh yeah, there's a cut tile with the Well, 24 is what they're saying, but it looks like you could go to 25 1/4 if you, or almost 25 1/2 if you wanted to. Maybe. Nah, you're probably going to be doing 24. That's about it. All right. I don't know why this ain't laying flat, but there we go. Bob's your uncle. Now we just need to put a piece of tile in there and try it out. Let's do that. I'll be back. Oh yeah, this is a really good machine here, man, I bet. We're gonna find out.